In the pursuit of high-quality development, some Chinese provinces and cities are leveraging their favorable location and robust technological ecosystem to accelerate the development of the low-altitude economy. Last Wednesday, a demonstration flight was completed under the visual flight rules between Southwest China's Chongqing and Zigong, marking the launch of an interprovincial low-altitude air route in the region. Local authorities said all aircraft that operate via this regular route can enjoy shortened flight application time and streamlined approval procedure. Earlier last month, a 5-seater rotor wing aircraft called Prosperity took off from Shenzhen in South China's Guangdong province. It flew autonomously for 50 kilometers and landed in the nearby city of Zhuhai about 20 minutes later. The journey would require more than 2 hours by car. According to Autoflight, a Shanghai-based electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft startup, the flight marked the world's first public demonstration of an eVTOL aircraft on a cross-sea and intercity route. As an important driving force of new economic momentum, the low-altitude economy is viewed by many as a key strategic emerging industry.
我们觉得低空经济呢是新质生产力很核心，也是很具有代表性的一个产业。我们能够很好的找到这种新的消费的增长点，新的这种生产制造的增长点，同时呢也能够带动我们地面我们这个基础设施建设的这个增长点。
The low-altitude economy covers a wide range of sectors, such as low-altitude flight, air tourism, passenger transportation, among others. It is also intertwined with the artificial intelligence and power battery industries. According to the Civil Aviation Administration of China, by the end of 2023, the size of China's low-altitude economy is estimated at more than 500 billion yuan, with the scale expected to rise to 2 trillion yuan by 2030.